Hey, it's Monday Motivation with Dr. Trish Leigh from the beach. Okay, this week, as we continue our journey in becoming the very best version of yourself, let's leave the habits behind that are no longer serving us. And this week, let's pattern interrupt, as I call it. Let's interrupt the pattern that you have been creating for a very long time. The way we're going to do it this week is by doing something different than you usually do. I'm at the beach because I'm chilling with my peeps, because I work a lot, I raise my family, I'm busy. So for a few days, I'm just chilling at the beach. So if you work hard this week, make time to play hard. If you tend to play hard, make time to work hard. Interrupt the pattern so you can grow. Okay, have an awesome week. Stay motivated, stay the course, and remember, control your brain or it'll control you.